The 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 continues the proud legacy of one of the most iconic motorcycles in the world. Known for its unmistakable thump and timeless styling, the new Bullet 500 blends classic charm with modern engineering to deliver a ride that's both nostalgic and practical. In terms of design, the Bullet 500 stays true to its roots. It features a rounded headlamp, hand-painted pinstripes, chrome accents, and a teardrop-shaped fuel tank. Its upright seating posture, wide handlebars, and retro-styled spoked wheels enhance its vintage appeal, making it stand out on the road. Performance-wise, the motorcycle is powered by a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine that produces around 27 horsepower and 41 newton-meters of torque. It is equipped with electronic fuel injection and a 5-speed gearbox, offering smooth acceleration and reliable power delivery. With a top speed close to 80 miles per hour and a fuel efficiency of approximately 75 miles per gallon, the Bullet 500 is ideal for both urban commuting and long highway rides. The suspension setup includes telescopic front forks and dual rear shock absorbers for a comfortable ride, while disc brakes on both ends with ABS provide confident stopping power. The bike also features both electric and kickstart options and a fuel tank capacity of about 3.5 gallons. For 2025, the Bullet 500 is available in two classic color options, jet black and forest green. These finishes complement the chrome detailing and enhance the motorcycle's retro character. The expected price of the 2025 Royal Enfield Bullet 500 is around $4,500 to $5,000, placing it in the mid-range segment for classic-styled motorcycles. It remains a favorite among riders who value tradition, simplicity, and an authentic motorcycling experience.